Hello, everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I'm in Thailand right now, and I'm with Nok. I just gave her a session, and Nok, you are a lawyer
Yes.
in Bangkok,
Yes.
and she has a very, very busy life, right?
Yes.
Pretty stressful,
Yes.
and family to support, and just a lot on her plate.
Yes.
And
So
so, huh?
like a busy and travel a lot. Dive long distance. A lot of things to do.
A lot of things to do. So she has a very stressful lifestyle. And so when I gave you your session, I felt you had a lot going on the right side of your body. And you confirmed that, right? You said that mostly you feel a lot on your right side. Yes? So the right side of the body has to do with our lifestyle.
Yes, because like work like a computer
Yeah.
when you the right hand on your mouth, something like that,
Right.
and drive a lot. Drive so long distance. When you drive long distance,
Yes.
almost like a 5 or 6 hours.
A lot of driving, a lot of working with the computer, so a lot of activity on the right side, and then also a stressful lifestyle. So that will manifest on your right side. And so I went to scan your body to feel your body. I also felt that your muscles were really tight in your neck,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And you were telling me that
Sure.
is one hold that you really like that calms your body. Can you
Yes.
show everybody? It was like,
Mm, I don't know. I can push it the right the correct.
yes, that's exactly right. So that calms the body. That's location number 18, and that's wonderful to calm the body. So you already started to do that. And then what I felt in your pulses was that you need to open up the waistline. That's what I felt mostly. And you also said that you had some stuff going on with your digestion. So one of the things that you can do is holding your 19s, holding the elbows. Yeah, I'm just going to take this a little bit lower here. So there. So 19 is located right here. Yes, so you can let me just feel it. Yeah, that feels very full, right? In there. Yeah. Yeah. So you can just place your fingers in there and then place your thumb on the back. And then on both sides you can do that. Yeah. And your little finger is really sticking up there. I noticed that also. So the body is really talking a lot to us. And so this is one thing that will help to open up the waistline, okay? And it helps the digestive system. So when you do this, if you can see, if you can drop your shoulders and take a few breaths here, and then you can feel the transformation. So you can feel the locations opening up. Okay, so that is one simple hold that I would like to give you. So now you have two, and I gave you the book, The Art of Jinshin.
Thank you so much.
So you can work with that. So now you have two holds already. One is this one to really calm your body, and you can do both right or left side, whatever feels comfortable.
How many minutes? Like 2 or 3 minutes.
Yes, you can hold it for 2 or 3 minutes, or sometimes even if you don't have a lot of time, you can hold it and take a few breaths. And then, yes, but if you have time, by all means, you can hold it for longer than that, for a couple of minutes. Then the second hold is opening your 19s, and that is in the Art of Jinshin on page 110. Just show everybody here. You see how Nakima there is holding her 19s to open up the waistline. And yeah, I also saw when I was reading your body that these were a little bit higher. They were fuller on the ribs. And so this will help. You can also place one hand on your rib. So hold one here and one like that. That's also really nice to do. Yes. Okay. And so while we're recording this, I'm going to show you one more little flow that you can work on. So that's a lot for today, because you start with these two. But if we continue in this book, and since you're taking it home, we're going to look at the bladder flow, because the bladder flow is wonderful for neck projects. And you were actually telling me that you had
Yes, I heard it when it always heard it. I always heard it.
hurts in
pain,
the
yes,
neck here.
pain. Maybe before when I wake up in the morning,
Yeah.
it make me like cannot sleep well.
So you have pain in the
Mm.
neck, and that's also what I felt really when I was working on you. That's where I went when I started to scan the body. So we're gonna move through the bladder flow now, and so it's described in the book. See how you do it, right? It's very easy, and I just want to show it also here. It's described easily with Cecile doing it here. So, but I'm gonna show you now, okay? So you place one hand here on the middle of the neck, right where you feel the tightness. And the other hand, you place it right here on the tailbone. So you don't have to stand up, but I'm just going to show it. No, you don't have to. You can stay seated. Right. So you can do it like this or like this. Okay, that's the first step. Yeah.
Not strong when we press it or push it not strong
No,
or
not strong, like the way I was doing it. I was holding it, but
mm,
I went in a little bit firm
mm,
and then you kind of let go. So you go in right to where it's tight. And if this, you can do this lying down. So you can lie down and relax this arm because you don't want to stress the arm, right? So then the second hold is you go to the back of the knee here. Right. Yeah. So right here, that's location number 8, which is located here. Yeah, very good. And after that, we go to 16, which is located right here at the ankle bone. And I'm going to just point it out on you. Let me see if we can do this. It's right here. Yeah, right here on the outside of the ankle bone. And then to the little toe. That's the last step. But so that's the whole flow if you want to do the whole flow. But we can also just do the first step, which is the middle of the neck and the tailbone. Just that's the first step of the bladder flow. And you want to just wait till this starts to get softer, the middle of the neck. Okay, so this is easy to do, right?
yes,
Is that easy?
yes,
And particularly when you're lying
yes.
down. And you just wait, like when you got the session, you just wait till, how I was just holding it there for a while. Yeah, so you just, and then the quick hold, there's one quick hold for the bladder flow is holding your index finger. Yes, just holding like that. Yes. Yeah, just gently. Yeah. And that helps the whole bladder flow.
Oh.
And the emotion related to it is fear, being scared. So I don't know if that resonates, but every project we have is related to an emotion also. Okay, so all right.
Yes.
So
Okay.
thank you.
I think I can do.
You can do?
I can
Okay,
do by
and we're gonna
myself.
go over it again now.
Yes. Okay.
But thank you so much for joining our Wellness
Thank you
Wednesday.
so much and ขอบคุณค่ะ